Hey guys, here's a quick video sample taken with the RedMagic 11S Pro, a gaming smartphone, so we're not expecting too much out of the camera here. But it's got a 50 megapixel standard camera and a 50 megapixel ultra wide. Unfortunately, no zoom capabilities here, at least no optical zoom, that is. So that's the 1X main camera, 23mm equivalent. Let's try the digital zoom, shall we? Let's go to 2X. This is how it looks. I'm not entirely convinced that it's doing high quality sensor cropping, so I hope it does and it doesn't quite ruin the quality, so at least we can get like decent 2X out of that camera. But then as we go to 5X, of course, it's not gonna look as good. Definitely not good. And then the maximum one is 10X option. Better to avoid it. Back to 1X. Unfortunately, you cannot switch to the ultra-wide camera while recording a video. And this here is a 4K video sample recorded at 30 FPS. I haven't noticed the stabilization to be especially great, but it doesn't appear to be terrible either.